Hi guys, let's try to make a cute snowman with the help of nano tape. So just cut the little piece from the nano tape and take a straw, and you can put in and insert any material you want in your snowman. If you have white beads you can put it, if you have white glitter or silver glitter you can put it. Let's add some little thermocol balls, and you will need, there is a hack that when I bought this nano tape, it was very difficult to blow it. So when I tried it with the hot water, it was very easy to blow the bubbles. So I made so many bubbles and gave it to my kids, so they were really happy to play with them. Okay, there are two hacks. Some people make the tape little hot with the help of hair dryer, and some people do it with the help of hot water. So I will try hot water, and I have tried it. So after attaching it, after tapping it from both sides, you will open it like this and make sure all the sides are closed. And now you will take boiling water and you will put it inside it for 30 seconds so that it can be soft, and the glue inside the tape, it will be softer. So now I will blow it like this, and it was very tricky and difficult, you can see. So I tried it, and let's see, I made a bubble. And you can also add glitter to make it look very cute and beautiful. So let's cut the extra part of the bubble, and you can see one bubble is ready. Let's make the second bubble. You will make the same way the bubble, and add straw in the middle and add some thermocol balls and blow it. The two balls are ready, and by the way, the second ball was bigger, but it was, the air was leaking, so I was making it like hurry. So I hope you will also try it and you will make it really cute snowman. And sometimes the air get leaked, and it's a fail, but it's so much fun to play with it and give it to your kids. It's very nice craft. So add thermocol foaming sheet, carrot, and make eyes and make smiley face of the snowman. Your snowman is ready. Now give it to your kids and make them happy. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please share it. Thank you. Bye bye.